Dell Pro Slim. Category 2.0 dB. Offer, Dell. It has a 3-year Pro Support on-site warranty. This can be upgraded to 4 or 5 years. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. System dimensions. Height, 11.95 inches. Width, 3.74 inches. And depth, 11.54 inches. On the front of the system, we have the power button, universal audio jack, 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.2, Gen 1, and 1 USB 3.2, Gen 1, Type-C. On the back is the power connector, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 HDMI 2.1, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 2 USB 2.0, and 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. We also have a Kensington security cable slot and a padlock ring. To open the system, loosen the screws at the back, slide the top cover, and lift it up. The system comes with an Intel Core i5 and can be upgraded to an Intel Core i7. It has 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5, 4800 MHz. It can be upgraded to 64 gigs or downgraded to 16. For internal storage, there's a 512 gig M.2 NVMe SSD. This can be upgraded to 1 terabyte or downgraded to 256. It has Intel UHD Graphics 770 and an internal speaker connected to a Realtek ALC 3204 audio controller. Expansion slots. There is 1 half-height PCIe X16, 2 half-height PCIe X1, 2 M.2 slots for Wi-Fi or SSD, and 2 SATA 3.0 ports for a 3.5-inch hard drive or slim optical drive. It has an Intel Q670 chipset and a Trusted Platform Module version 2.0. Power is supplied by a 360-watt Platinum PSU.